Good day, ma'am. I am Lady May Patac from BSHM 2A student. And today I am going to tackle about the chapter 14, which is the automated management approach. Coping with changing business demands. You've worked hard to get where you are. As an owner or manager of a business, you're faced with today's sophisticated business techniques and equally sophisticated consumer public. Most likely, you're searching for ways to cope with rapidly changing demands and an unpredictable economy. While you want your business to grow, you're concerned about maintaining control and continuing to offer good customer service. And you want to keep operating costs down in areas like inventory and personnel. Controlling your operation and your costs, that's the bottom line to your continued success. What you need is a cost effectiveness solution to your business concerns. The computer understands your needs. Quarter of a century of sustained profits, any computer knows with over a first-hand what growth is all about. The computer offers unique solutions to business problems like your and staying on the leading edge of technology. The computer system capture and process information, increase production by freeing individuals from routine, repetitive tasks, and improve profitability. All our products are easy to learn, expendable, versatile, and competitively priced. The computer that fits your business. The computers are designed specially for business. It provides the resources you need to maintain control over important business operations and captures timely information required to make key business decisions. Computers are used to cut down records keeping and accounting costs. Quickly handled important business transactions such as order processing, inventory control, job costing, and dispatching. Easily perform complex statistical scientific calculations, or use the information that the computer provides for crucial make or buy decisions and sales forecasting. Improve your customer service. Will be able to provide your customers with faster turnaround on their request. Order other than proceed as soon as they come in. Using inventory and pricing information that is instantly available from computer system, scan your inventory for a particular using the computer item to determine if a required level has been reached. With this kind of current inventory information, lost sale will be a thing or of be the past, and once an order is proceed, the computer can even made to update your inventory records automatically. Improve cash flow. Your invoices can be printed directly from the computer so you can have them in mail the same. Accounts receivables will come in faster significantly will help you improve customer service and maintain your competitive edge. Increases productivity. The computer's ability to use the same information for many purposes can improve accuracy and increase productivity in your business. Customers' files stored on the computer can serve as mailing list or be used in such routine accounting functions as payroll, accounts payable, and general ledger. Once the information is entered, you can use it repeatedly each time with complete accuracy. The computer keeps pace with your growth. When you evaluate a computer for your business, one important criteria deserves careful consideration. Growth. Yours and the computers deserves careful consideration. Growth yours and the computers. As your sales rise or product lines changes, you'll need a computer that can measure up to your increased demands to handle orders, inventory, production, and accounting functions. Though with a small system, then add equipment faster to match your computer measures up. Built-in expandability lets you begin growing requirements, or you can expand your own system to a larger one, transferring your programs to other systems without time-consuming and costly revisions. Your initial investment always remains protected. The approachable computers. The computers are extremely easy to learn, so you and your employees won't have to study complex manuals or undergo extensive training. And the system sample operation means you won't have to hire a operator to use it effectively. Setting comfortably on the terminal, you can repeatedly enter information into the computer using familiar typewriter keys, a standard numeric keypad, or special function keys conveniently located on the terminal keyboard. You'll quickly discover how helpful the computer can be as it performs routine administrative tasks and makes individual job easier. The drudgery of filing files or paperwork is virtually eliminated, while control of important information is retained at your fingertips. The computer offers extra features typically included only on higher price systems, like sophisticated character and graphic display features that make it possible for you to duplicate your present business forms right on the terminal screen in the blank entry of information into the computer. It processes for fast, fill data quickly, and when you want the information in printed form, the system high-speed printer automatically produce typewriter quality documents. Complete forms management with a computer system. All companies, large or small, use forms to simplify and speed up communications. Once designed, forms must be printed, inventories and stored, distributed, and updated. The really big business, however, is in filing and processing forms and in managing and controlling total information flow. The high cost of filing and processing forms. Many everyday transactions, the taking out of a mortgage or of an insurance policy, the opening of a bank account, the sale of a car leave a flood of forms in their wake. Even though any one transaction generates many different forms which all serve different purposes, the forms contain essentially the same basic information on the transactions being proceeded. Clearly, anyone who managed to automate any or all aspects of the tremendous amount of duplication will realize enormous savings in time and money. Computer-aided forms processing with a computer system. The small computer systems have been used successfully in many different applications. Among these applications, computer-aided forms processing has often yielded the most effective economies in time and money and has contributed to greatly improved management control. Any computer system equipped with the proper software and being used to automate any one or all aspects of forms processing. Make a computer system your form designer. Computer-aided form generation with a computer system allows you to create any form, its text, length of text, and its actual location on the form. Make your computer system your form auditor. Every computer company needs to maintain a control system for all forms, whether in use or obsolete. Computer-aided forms control with a system allows you to store all forms in a forms file and maintain complete audit control. Most important, computer-aided forms control safeguards against interference with existing forms or the unauthorized creation of new ones. Computers can enter a set of data and generate many different forms. With computer-aided form filing, your personal inputs information pertaining to a transactions to a system. The system stores this information and on-demand prints in it any format and on any form you use. This means that you are able to generate many different forms from a set of input data which your operator inputs only once. In the case of an auto sale, for instance, the operator inputs once approximately 40 items of information all pertaining to the one sale. From this complete set of data, the system's software then generates from 15 to 30 different forms for automatic printout on the system's output device. ADMS, helping you manage chance. The rapid growth of information processing in virtually every industry continues, largely unaffected by inflation and recession. The reason is simple: better information breeds better decisions and across-the-board improvements in operations, support, and customer service. The return on a company's information processing investment in terms of increased productivity can be considerable. Widespread recognition of this fact has increased the demands on data processing facilities for faster response and more accurate information. Your list of applications and users grows constantly, and you need an effective data management tool. With each new application, your database gets larger and redundancy increases. Data files and programs undergo seemingly constant change, and the effect rippled throughout your data processing operation. Program maintenance costs continue to soar as shifting application demands make it necessary to change file and record definitions in each affected programs. Internal programming standards and data integrity suffer with time, and resource constraints often preventing data validation. What's more, system security and data accuracy are constantly threatened, and system restart are severely hampered by uncontrolled updates and file inconsistency. Advanced capabilities standard with every computer. The Computer Advanced Data Management System, or ADMS, makes it possible for you to effectively and efficiently organize and control your data files, facilitate the sharing of data and programs, and provide system protection in the event of hardware or software failures. With ADMS, your organization will benefit from many advantage features include centralized data definitions that reduce program maintenance, automatic coordination of multiple updates to share data files, protection of data at the filed record and file levels, full file recovery and program restart facilities, complete flexibility to create and modify data definitions and access paths in meeting new data processing needs, automatic reorganization of data files when data definitions are modified. Easy COBOL programming using an extensive array of computer program development tools with support to be provided for assembler and selected high-level languages. Compatibility with the computer operating system and file management utilities for more efficient operation. In addition, ADMS provides a superset compatibility with the Computer Data Management System or DMS. How ADMS works. ADMS organizes all data definition for an application into a three-level description of the database, a schema user views of the database, and a storage schema. The schema is a collection of all record descriptions for the files in the database. A view defines the records and the field within each record that an application program can access. And the storage schema defines where the files are stored and the format in which they are stored. ADMS data files may be indexed or sequential. ADMS provides a special data definition processor to centrally create, edit, validate, and modify data definitions independently of applications programs. Data is defined once, so application programmers no longer have to repeatedly code record and field definitions into their programs. Simply specify the appropriate view name in the program and compile time, and ADMS will automatically supply all necessary data descriptions. Lower development and support costs. Because data descriptions are created independently on the programs using the data, applications programs are insulted against changes to data descriptions. Program maintenance costs will be dramatically reduced since changes to data descriptions need only to be made once without the need to recompile all programs as a result of file changes. An added substantial bonus of removing data descriptions from application program is simplify program logic and increase programmer productivity. Unlike other data management systems that add other layer or software, ADMS is supplied with a computer operating system and all runtime functions are carried out at the operating system level. This means you get more efficient system operation and single sources support without incurring special charges or additional staff training. More effectively data management, the control of data definitions and files that ADMS provides is the key to more effective data management. You have the flexibility to define new views and records, access paths in meeting your changing needs, and your data definitions are automatically checked for internal consistency. Better system security. With ADMS, each user's access to database is explicitly controlled, and what they do with the when they get it can be precisely limited. Access the ADMS data files is only possible through defined views of the database. The authority and the ability to create views and access data definition files can be to specific users. Management, however, can limit the user's access privilege, read and modify, or read, modify, and delete, and exclude you to protect sensitive data and ensure that users and programs selected physical records fields from a given view. This enables only have access to needed informations. Increased data integrity. To preserve the integrity of the database during concurrent operations by multiple users, ADMS incorporates a number of advanced data sharing features. lack of users from files and or record during updates, deadlock prevention, rain check, validation of data written to files, and grouping of related updates into transactions to maintain consistency between related data files. More efficient recovery and restart. Database transactions are the heart of the comprehensive ADMS recovery and restart capability. The system logs into an audit trail the record images associated with each update in a transaction after update images for full auditing, after update images only if partial auditing is specified. Choose full auditing if your application requires maximum recovery efficiency, or selected partial auditing for less critical tasks and application with independent, easily renewable data. Either way, ADMS will restore your data and you can restart your application without having to rebuild data files or reprocess work when recovery is needed. ADMS also incorporates a comprehensive backup capability fully integrated with the recovery facility to protect data in the event of system failure. You can vary the frequency of backup to suit your particular application. ADMS regularly generates a backup report that you will find extremely useful in managing the system. Easy to use, hard to do without. ADMS is a sophisticated and extremely easy to use data management tool. Programmers use standard COBOL verbs to incorporate ADMS into applications. The system supplies an up-to-date listing of all views and associated programs. And because the data definition processor is menu-driven and completely self-prompting, ADMS can immediately be used by any member of your present staff. The Computer Advanced Data Management System. The difference it makes in managing your data will make all the difference in improving the performance and cost effectiveness of your computer. HRMS versus Series Computer, the powerhouse combination for human resource management. Human Resource Management System, or HRMS, on any powerful computer gives executives the one complete system for payroll accounting, personnel administration, and benefits management. HRMS combines with the latest in computer technology to provide the dynamic control of information needed in growing human resource management environment. With HRMS, emphasis can be placed on the human aspects of working while vastly reducing tedious paperwork. The result is improved communications, increased productivity, and job enrichment. HRMS is an interactive software system that gives immediate access to all data about your company's most valuable resource. With one system, you can now easily meet all government reporting requirements and, in addition, handle complex payroll processing including earned income credit arranged in 3 software packages: payroll, personnel, and benefits management. HRMS system can be implemented individually or together for the complete human resources management solution. Because HRMS is an integrated system, it saves the operator time by eliminating data redundancies. All information on application and current and retired employees is kept in one integrated system, allowing an operator to update an individual's record with one easy procedure. So that could be all. Thank you and God bless.